given p is equal to the square root of x minus 5 divided by x plus 2, for which values of x is p non-real. Which numbers are non-real? The square root of a negative number. So it means that if x minus 5 is negative, the whole x minus 5 is negative, then p is going to be non-real. So p is going to be non-real if x minus 5 is less than 0. Less than 0 means negative. Greater than 0 means positive. So now let's solve the inequality. We do the inverse operations here. So we're going to add 5 to both sides of the inequality. So it's going to be plus 5 this side, then plus 5 this side. So it becomes x less than 5. If x is less than 5, then p is going to be non-real, because if x is less than 5, x minus 5 is negative, and the square root of a negative number is non-real. So p is going to be non-real if x is less than 5.